Everyone is talking about Claude Code's magic and how every person can build something valuable using it. Someone on LinkedIn and YouTube said it changed their life, and now you feel like you're missing something so important. Literally, like me a few weeks ago. You might not be missing anything at all, and this video will tell you why. This isn't a Claude Code setup tutorial. That is something that's going to follow soon. But this is a decision video, something that I couldn't find online when I needed it. And it just kept me in a FOMO. So by the end of this video, you'll know whether Claude Code is worth your time right now or whether you should ignore my upcoming setup video and go back to what's already working. And honestly, both are valid answers. So there are three types of people probably watching this video. Only one of them actually need code right now. Profile number one. You use Claude in general for writing, researching, thinking, analyzing documents. Chat is doing that job for you. The output is just text. Like you use that text somewhere else. And then the verdict is don't use Claude Code. It will not improve anything at all. Chat is the right tool for you. Profile number two. These are the people probably doing repetitive file heavy tasks like processing documents, reconciling data, pulling things together from a file or a folder, and it's taking too long, and you want to automate it. Now, you might have the urge to move into Claude Code, but the answer for you is try Cowork first. Seriously, Cowork is built for exactly this situation. It requires zero setup and it handles almost like most of these tasks much better than you'd expect it. And the reason for this is that it has skills and connectors. Plus, it has like built-in agents for almost all types of like text and number related tasks, file related tasks. So if Cowork gets you around 80% of the way there, I suggest you stop. You don't really need Claude Code because the time needed to invest in setting up Claude Code is extra. Code honestly becomes relevant when Cowork kind of hits a wall, when the task needs to run on its own schedule, like without Claude's app being open, or when you want uh, something that just works silently in the background every time without you really saying anything to it. So that's where profile three comes in. You have a specific thing you want to build, you're very clear. You're not just saying automate my work. You have a specific tool, a script that monitors that, and a report that generates itself. Basically, a thing that does one job automatically on repeat, needed by you every single week, or something that takes about 10 to 12 hours every month. Then that means you need Claude Code. Here's the test. Like, try it in one sentence. Say some. I need something that pulls my Google Analytics data every Monday and saves it as a formatted spreadsheet without me doing anything. That is where you would need coding, Claude Code. Okay. Um, just saying I want to automate my work, that's not a detailed sentence, and that's not even enough for you to build anything. Okay, it's a feeling. I want to automate as a feeling. It's not. So start with Cowork and then move on to Cloud Code. So considering you are in profile 3, here's what you will actually be signing up for if you move to Cloud Code. Now, Cloud Code is an AI agent in itself. It can read and write actual files on your computer. It can run things, it can work through multiple steps and tasks that produce something which then runs on its own without you doing much. So the black screen is just how it talks to your computer. And it's not actually scary once you've used it twice. Of course, it is scary the first time because it was for me as well. But you describe whatever you want in like plain English, and it plans the steps, shows you what it's about to do. It asks permission before touching anything, and you approve, and then it builds, and then you test it, and then it's done. So you don't really need to understand coding to use Claude Code. You, of course, need some bit of things to do as a setup. But you'll be able to like describe what you want in simple English and just be patient with it, and Claude Code will do the work for you. It can build things for you. Like I said, the setup needs some understanding and working with the black code screen. Most of the non technical professionals dread, including me. And that is why I've created a separate video guiding non tech professionals to set up Claude Code for the first time. It wasn't easy for me. So I hope that video helps you if you really are entering the Claude Code territory. Uh, Remember, your first Claude Code task will take longer than you're doing it manually than whatever you do manually. And it's not really a bug. It's the cost of building something. Like when you build something, it requires time, effort, understanding, and especially for non-tech professionals who do not use code a lot, the setup, everything can be a little intimidating at first, but it's okay to take it slow and learn it piece by piece. Okay, because that's how we learn together. If AI really feels like a foreign language to you, Claude Code is not where you start. This is like you don't jump to the next video that I will be creating. A strong foundation is what changes that overwhelm into confidence. And that's why I have a free course built on AI foundations for non tech professionals. You can see it here. That is your first principles video. Go ahead and watch it. Bye.